In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Minecraft with Friends 1.21. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which platform you are playing Minecraft 1.21 in, you can easily connect to your friends, so all of you can play together on random servers or on a specific survival creative world and play between yourselves only. So to set this up, the most important thing is that you need to use a Microsoft account. Another thing that I want to highlight is that this will only work on Minecraft Bedrock. You can still play together with your friends on Minecraft Java, of course, but the process is way more different. Usually you will have to set up a server and everyone will join. But if you are doing this on Bedrock, as long as you sign in with a Microsoft account, you will be able to connect your friends. So you can go over to Play and tap on Friends. If you don't have a Microsoft account, now is the time to connect it. So you will see this prompt and all you have to do is tap Sign In Now. Now, once you are signed into a Microsoft account, just like everyone else who is going to be playing, go over to Play and add each other. So to add your friends, tap on the Friends option at the top right corner of the screen and then go to Search for Players. Now, you will have to add your friends by using their gamertag. So you can either scan this QR code here or tell them to share their gamertag with you. So give them your gamertag or vice versa and look for them using the search function. Once you find your friends, you will be able to send them a friend request by tapping the add button. They should do the same. So it is recommended that you add your friend and your friend adds you back by typing your gamertag here. So once everyone who is going to be playing has been added and exchanged friend requests, you can go back inside of the play screen, find a specific world that you want to join, go over to the edit option at the right side, and if you scroll down, you need to make sure that multiplayer game has been enabled. So make sure that this option is enabled. You can change some options about who is able to join, but usually you can leave it on default, so friends and member. Now go ahead and join the world. Once you are inside, you will see the option to invite your friends, so whoever you added through the friends screen will be able to be invited to this world. So wait for this option, or this screen, to finish loading the world, then pause the game, go over to invite the game, and you will find them here. Select them and send out the invites to play Minecraft together on this world. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Minecraft with friends on 1.21. Now, before ending the video, I want to highlight something really fast. When I was looking at the channel metrics, I noticed that 83% of you guys are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the best solutions to your problem, including anything related to Minecraft. So consider subscribing. It really helps us, and I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.